chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened, you need. Right, back at Brighton Marina, we're doing a sea trial on the Princess 415. Ooh, see how this goes. The survey wasn't too great, it needs a lot of work, but it's a nice boat. Weather's not too great, considering yesterday was the hottest day of the year, and today is a little bit drizzly and rainy. Bird couldn't make it today because it's Wednesday and she couldn't get a day off work, so I'm flying solo. We'll take you along and see how she performs, and hopefully our new boat. Alright, okay, we are underway. So, let's have a look. That light's staying on. Started first time on the button. I won't get you in the video. Look at where the bow is. See, we've just come out. Definitely up on the plane. We did it! Bird, we bought the boat! Here she is! Alright, let's get in. Alright, leave that there. Here we go. Alright. Excited, Bird?
A little bit. We've done it. Like, where's the...
It's on your boat.
Alright,
Let's get set up. I'll show you around. Alright. On your boat!
We're on Princess Moretti.
Alright.
Go on, Ben, open her up. Woohoo! The keys, the keys.
It lays upside down.
Oh, open her up a bit, pull that one. This is going to be our new home that we can take out on the water. So let's have a look around inside. So, got sofas. Look at them, beautiful. I think we need to put a bit of stuff, stuff on that. Okay, we've left magazines here first. There's the fridge on. down through. Here, there's a berth in here. I'm trying to find the light actually. There's a light in here. Quite nice. Nice double rooms for guests. This is our room. Proper bed. Look at that. Proper full shower in here. Toilet. That's a Jack and Jill. No, it's not a Jack and Jill. I don't think that's a Jack and Jill. That's our personal one. Yeah, personal shower. And then we've got the guests' heads here. There's Ben trying to work out how to switch things on. He's left his cutlery. Actually, it's not bad cutlery actually.
Alright, we chose the right time to go to Brighton. There's some kind of festival thing going on over there.
Sounds amazing.
Look at the sunset. Alright, we've been pottering about on the boat. There's a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do, a lot of cleaning to be done. But we are happy. All this upholstery is being replaced. I've got a guy come in a few days after the boat gets back to us to measure up and go through my designs. And that's going to look fantastic. Look, what a place. The bird's really happy, which means I'm really happy. We're all really happy.
Yeah.
We did it! We got a boat! Woohoo!
Princess.
Follow along, like and subscribe. You're going to see lots.
Club now.
Yeah, the Princess Club. You're going to see lots of videos coming up of the progress we make on the boat and what we end up doing to her. Exciting times. And then we're going to go out boating. Alright, 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 alright.
You nutter.
Alright, we've been so busy on a new boat, we forgot to film anything. We're getting there. Bird's still cleaning away. We've got still quite a bit more cleaning to do. She's scrubbing up alright. Got two Volvo TAMD 61A engines. They're pretty big beasts, 306 horsepower each. Yeah, it's quite tidy. So a little bit wet down there, so I'm dried up. All looking good. Bird, you happy?
I'm happy, I love it.
She loves it. So we are getting new upholstery outside. Taking all that out, it's mouldy as hell, full of water. So yeah, gross. And we cleared out loads of rubbish. Alright, we're going to run the engines up, see how they go. So, got the hatch open, and the bird's in the way. The bird moves out the way, and I can crack on.
Cleaning time.
Right, now I haven't done this before, so I can't remember what the guy said. I think. Good. Engine start, battery master switches. I think just turn those. Okay. That's not starting then, so.
What's supposed to happen?
I don't know. Here's the keys. So let's give it a whirl. What comes on? Alright. Wait for the glow plug lights to go out, which is one on the end. Very faint. And that one's got something wrong with it, doesn't go out. Alright, let's see what happens. we'll show you boats being transported by road. So we've got to take all the canvas off, we've got to take all the frame off, we've got to fold the radar arch down, and a few other bits and bobs to do. So I'll do a little run through that when we get to it. Alright.